Hi guys. Today we're playing this game. I have to be very quiet because it's night time right now. I have to. Anyways, let's go. Come on. Come on. I know you want to do it. Let's. What? Wait, what? What? 1-0. Oh. 1-1. Oh, you did. Yeah. Oh, I will say. What the? Get over here! Get over here! That's over here. Diglett, go. Diglett, go. Huh? Dead. You're too big. Oh my God! Oh, that's creepy. Should we be worrying about racking in the back and not? That's what you get for trying to kill me. 3, 5, 5, 1, 5. No. 360. You fat. You stupid. Stupid. No. Oh. Later. Oh yeah, I forgot to say at the beginning. My goal is to reach 20. 20 wins. 8-1. He died. My boy. Never mind. I hit the evil one was dead. 10-1. No. Stop it. Whatever. He cannot defeat me. I'm too powerful. Wait. Woo! 12-1. You see this, guys? You see this? 12-1. Oh, that was easy. Actually, make it 13-1. I want you guys to spam in the comments. Wait, who won? I won. 14-1. Wait, no, wait. Okay, we're back to 14-2. But I was gonna say, I want you guys to spam in the comments. Yellow trash, blue good. On my shorts, on my YouTube videos, on everything. I want to see the whole comments for. So you show me what? There. No. No, you know, I'm not even keeping track of time. I just realized that. Wait, I died. I was looking at something. 4 minutes. Wait, what? Idiot! Come to me, my child. special ability. Yes! Yes, that's it. I also wanted to dance. Oh yeah. Making weird noise. Oh my god! On his head! That was brutal! There are no balloons. Balloons. We shall go. Oh my god! I still won. 18? 3. Come on. Come on. AI, yeah, trash. Yeah, trash. Doodle. Doodle. Get over here. I can't move. Oh, I'm stuck. Yeah. Oh my. Come on. Here. Imagine if I did all this work and the camera wasn't recording. Wait, camera? I'm joking. Not a camera. Video wasn't recording. Oh! Too easy. Just one more kill. Come on. If I use my special ability, what's it then? What? Nuri? Jäger. I will not let you get over 3. No. 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 Step. Step. Oh! Yeah. Anyways, we're done. We're done. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. I'll see you next time, aka tomorrow. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't, I'll find you.